With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start this question. Now in this question what we are given, in a sample of hydrogen atoms, electrons are de-excited from the fourth excited state to ground state. Now we have to choose which of the following statement is correct. Now firstly we are given that electrons are de-excited from n is equals to 5, that is the fourth excited state, to the ground state, that is n is equals to 1. Now according to the hydrogen spectra we know that there are some fixed series for the values of n. Now the series with where n1 is equals to 1 in every case and n2, that is the value of higher orbit, is lies from 2 to infinity. This is called as Lyman series. This is the Lyman series. These are the series of the electron transition from higher orbital to lower orbit. Now the second series is the Balmer series. Now in this series the value of n, that is the lower orbit, is 2, that is constant always, n1 is 2, and the n2 value is from 3 to infinity, it can be any. Now the third series is the Paschen series. Here the value of n1 is 3 and the value of n2 lie from 4 to infinity. And similarly the fifth series is Bracket series. Now in this series the value of n1, that is lower orbit, is 4 and the value of higher orbit is from 5 to infinity. And the fifth series, that is the Pfund series. Now in this Pfund series the value of n1 is 5 and n2 is 6 to infinity. Now we are given the transition is made. Now if we draw these series, it will be like this is the n is equals to 1, this is n is equals to 2, this is n is equals to 3, n is equals to 4, n is equals to 5, and so on as infinity. This is n is equals to infinity. Now the transition, that is from higher orbital to lower orbital, for example this transition is taking place from n is equals to 3 to n is equals to 1. Here the value of lower orbit is 1, so we can see this is the Lyman series. Now if the transition is from 4 to 2, or we can say 3 to 2, the value of lower orbit is 2, so this is the Balmer series. Similarly these are the Paschen, Bracket and Pfund series. Now we are given the transition is made from the n is equals to 5, that is this value, to n is equals to 1, that is the ground state. Now we have to tell how many wavelengths are generated in this. Now we can see the number of lines observed. We can calculate from the formula, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. Here n is the value of higher orbital. Here we are given n is equals to, this was the value for n is equals to 5, that is the upper value, so it will be 5 into 4 divided by 2, it will be 10. So 10 spectral lines will be observed in this case. Now there is one more formula to calculate this value. We are given n is equals to 5, that is the n2, and we are given n1 is the ground state, that is 1. Now if we subtract both, then we get 4, and if we write 4 in decreasing order, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. So this will be the order of series, and if we add them we also get the answer as 10. Now what are these? These are the series, that is 4 will be the Lyman series starting from first, because n1 is 1, and 3 will be the Balmer series, 2 will be the Paschen series, and 1 will be the Bracket series. So this will be the series. Now we will start with the options. We are given no line is observed in the Pfund series. This is correct because there are only 4 series, that is Lyman, Balmer, Paschen and Bracket. And second option we are given total 10 lines are observed in the spectrum. This is also correct because the value of sum is 10. Now we are given the third statement is 4 line lies in the UV region and 3 line lies in the visible region. Now the UV region is the Lyman region. This is also called the UV region of UV light. Now in UV region or Lyman region we can see that there are 4 lines. So this is correct, and we are given 3 lines in the visible region. Now visible region is in the Balmer series. This is the series of visible light or visible region, and we are given 3 lines for the Balmer series. It means 3 lines for the visible region. So this is also correct. Now we are given the fourth statement, that is 1 line is observed in the bracket series. Now we are observing 1 line, this is the bracket series, so this is also correct according to the question. Now so all the 4 statements are correct, so all are correct in this question. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.